G'day, Chris. Craig here. Just having a look at your website. I was going to actually promote it on my Facebook channel today, and then I realised I I could improve the SEO on your front page a little bit. Now, look, SEO. I haven't charged you for SEO, right? So this is just a little gift today. I've got a little bit of spare time today. It's a freebie, and I'm going to give you some tips going forward that will help you. Now, the satisfaction guaranteed logo came up when you posted to Facebook the first time. That's fine. That looked fine. I actually wanted to improve that, and I went in and I realized that we haven't set a featured image for page one. So I'm going to go back to page one or home page, and I'm going to do that. And this video will show exactly how I fix up just the simple SEO for page one, and you can follow that on for all the other pages. By the way, you've tested the contacts and the bookings pages, haven't you? You are getting these messages. I thought I'd better just double check that. It's important that you go in, test this, write a message to yourself, make sure you're getting it, okay? All right, so first page SEO. Let's go in and have a look. Now, SEO is a massive, massive subject. I'm just showing you the first things that need to be in place. Now, featured image should be in place for every page. Otherwise, it just takes them out randomly. Because all the images on the website are useful, that's fine. You could just go in here and you could choose an image and you can put it in here. Now, let's explain this featured image just a little bit more. First of all, as you know, I like to upload the images to your website so I can optimize them for the web. They're the perfect size, they look good, but they're not too bulky so the website stays fast. Now, second of all, on every page there's this section called Yoast SEO. This is the free version of SEO, it's a plugin, and what it helps you do is this. Okay, so I've gone in and I've clicked edit so I can start editing this meta description. But again, let's just take it from the top. I'm just going to update this now so that I save this featured image. But I just want to make this really clear, this video. So now let's go and view that page again. Notice this dialog came up which allowed us to view the page. That's a simple way to get back there. There's many, many ways to get back there. So basically you need to be logged in to WordPress to do all of this, if I haven't explained that yet. And from any page you can click and you can go in and edit each page. You can also navigate from the back end, but I'm not going to go into that. I generally navigate around using the front end anyway. So yeah, so once again, we're here on that front page on the edit menu. You need to go in to edit with Elementor if you want to edit anything on the actual page in terms of the writing and stuff. But this is the page that helps you do the SEO and a bunch of other things. While I'm here, by the way, permalink, if you actually want to view the page and you can't find that thing that I just showed you before, you can also use this page just by clicking on this, and that will take you back to the page. Permalink basically means URL, that's the URL, that's the front page, all right? All right, enough. Let's go back into Google SEO. So Yoast SEO. All right, so it's got the dialog open here, which means that we can put in the meta description. In fact, I'm going to view that page again just so I can get a quick meta description and use the keywords that are important. And once again, you'll need to do this on every page. Cleaning your home or business on the... I think that they're good words to use, and even having your phone number, I think, in there doesn't hurt. Especially on the front page. Okay, so cleaning your home or business on the Central Coast or Lake Macquarie, New South Wales, question mark. Call the clean team. And we'll just get rid of that call. Okay, cleaning Clean. We haven't got cleaners. Call clean. Cleaners. People are going to look for cleaners more than clean, I think. Call Panama cleaners. All right, now there's still a little bit more space there to go. The green bar indicates how many words, okay, in the meta description. The meta description is what appears on Google when you're looking for, let's just look for, cleaners Central Coast, right? And you'll see that's the meta description here. So study this carefully. Look at the keywords they're using. Cleaners, cleaning, cleaning Central Coast, local cleaners in the Central Coast, blah, 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 right? So study all of this and enhance this meta description. As long as I see green, I'm happy. Now, about Panama cleaning. We got to come up with a better title than that. Again, let's just... okay, so we'll get rid of all of that. We'll call it Panama cleaning. Just a sec. We shouldn't call it, okay, cleaning. We better get the word right, your name right. Panama cleaning. And we'll call this cleaners for your home or business on the Central Coast, okay? So Panama cleaning, cleaners for your home or business on the Central. Now notice too many words. Google will not display this many words. All right, now there's the title, there's the meta description. That's much better now. That only appears on the mobile phone. That's what the desktop result looks like. All right. And that's how easy it is to update your SEO meta description. Once more, let's have a look for cleaners, Central Coast, just to really get this in. Friendly and family owned is their title. And then there's their meta description. House cleaning in Central Coast by Absolute is their title. There is their meta description. And we have a look. There's your title. There's your meta description. Now, sometimes this part works, sometimes it... I'll just update this, and I'm going to show you one more little extra thing. Now, often, Facebook will take that photo and use it. But sometimes this part works as well, and we can select a Facebook image. If we're going to do that, we may as well just repeat the title just in case. Facebook usually only uses the image and the title anyway. So we'll put that in, and now we need an image. All right, I'm just going to pause this video because I'm going to do one more little... oh, that's my Photoshop. That's me doing some work for Chan's local Asian supermarket. Sorry, I'm just going to pause this video while I make you a little treat. Just bear with me. Alright, so the idea of this one is that it's going to look good on Facebook, but it's also going to look good on Google as well, because even when you crop it to square, it's still got the important promotion in there. So I'll just save the work I've done in just in case I need to change it, and we'll make a new folder called SEO banners, and I'll just save that in there like that. And Panama cleaning office clean. We won't call it office. We'll just call it cleaners team. Oops, I put it in the wrong place. Save that again. Actually, I don't. Is 1080 how wide it is? Just let me double check that. Yep, it is 1080. Okay, that'll do. That's fine anyway. Save that in SEO banners, get rid of office, and save that. All right, that's done. Now, go back into here, and we'll select the image, upload a file, the one I just created. Now, I'm thinking this might be good for Google as well. We'll just double check. Anyway, it will be fine for Facebook. All right, so that's in there, but I'm actually going to replace this one as well because I think this will look good for Google as well. And I'll show you what I mean. When we go back to SEO, see, we've got the cleaners, we've got the logo, we've got the 100% clean, 100% clean. I think this is the winner. You can put this on other pages if you want as well. It doesn't hurt to use the same image in Yoast SEO on different pages. That's completely up to you. All right. Now that's done, there's one last thing. So we'll view the page. There's one last thing that we need to do before we post this now to Facebook. And so just go to Google and look up Facebook URL debugger. URL, it's another word for debugger, sorry. URL is another word for permalink or website address, whatever you want to call it. That'll bring you to here, sharing debugger. That's because WordPress keeps a record of pages that have already been shared, and I know you've already shared this page. So what we're going to do is refresh it. They call it debug it. Wow, so it's the same thing. If there were bugs in there, it's the same thing. Now that was scraped 4 hours ago. We're going to scrape it again, and now we've got the image that we want and the title we want. Panama cleaning. Cleaners for your home or business on the Central Coast. Okay, and that's done. So now I can share it to my Facebook, and when I go, I'll just find my Facebook page. So there we are, Foxy Web Design, create post, and when I paste that in there, it comes up the way I want. All right? So that's it. I hope this was really helpful, Chris. I did that as a freebie because you've been great lately, sending me a new job, within a week of the last job. That was fantastic. And when my clients succeed, that means I succeed as well. So and also because I know that you action this advice as well. I don't waste my time if someone's not going to be pumping their own business. I don't share tips and tricks like this, but I know you are. So there you go. All right, Monday morning. Have a great week, mate. Okay, bye for now.